now let's discuss about what is moving average. Very simple. Moving average is just a line. Okay, it is just an average price. For example, you can plot any moving average, like example 5 days, 10 days, 50 days, or 14 days, 12 days, 200, 100, any number you can plot. Very simple is, let's take an example 50 days moving average you are plotting in a chart. I will show with the chart example. Before that, 50 days moving average you are plotting. That means let's take an example of bank nifty. You are choosing a script bank nifty and you want to plot 50 days moving average. That means for the past 50 trading session, what software moving average it will do is, it will calculate 50 days of closing price of 50 days of last 50 days of bank nifty. You will get a value here. You will add 50 and divide it by 50. You will get a single price. So this is the price by which the moving average gets plotted. If you choose 10 days, not 15 days, 10 days means last 10 days of closing price will be added and divided by 10. You will get a value, answer value. Okay, you need not to do this calculation and all. For your understanding, I'm telling you, the chart will itself do it. So let me show an example of, I have already added a 50 moving average. Okay, I will cancel and re-add it. You can add in every platform. Just you need to search moving average. You will see moving average here. You need to click on it. It will ask a length or point, whatever as per your platform, 50. Okay. Okay. So now what is the use of moving average? I personally check moving average only in a daily time frame. I don't use moving average for my intraday trading. Okay, to check the broader trend of the market, I use moving average. I have plotted it. This is blue color line. It's a 50 days moving average. You can choose any color. Color is not a big deal. 50 moving average. Okay. Now, very important is to understand broader trend of market. Unless until, I will tell you, repeat this, very important. 50 moving up, unless until price is below 50 moving average, that to understand trend is down. Okay, unless until price is above 50-day moving average, the trend is up. Simple concept. Now, how to clearly identify whether the trend is down or trend is up? This is very important. As I mentioned, below 50-day moving average trend is down, above 50-day moving average trend is up. But what if price is here, look at this, price is breaking and again coming down? How to get rid of this false breakout, false up move? Because the price is below moving average means downtrend, suddenly price is moving up. So this doesn't mean now price is above moving average. This doesn't mean the trend has immediately changed up. Try to understand, when price is moving down, suddenly a small up move, this doesn't mean the trend is changed from down to up. No. What we need to do is, as the already trend is down because price is below moving average, when price is breaking the moving average, it has to come and take a support in this 50-day moving average and it has to reverse back. Then I can tell that the downtrending move has turned from down to up, and now price is above 50-day moving average, so the trend has changed up. Only when the down move crossing and taking a support and then reversing back. Let's take few more example here. Look at this. This is uptrending move. Price is breaking the moving average. Just because moving average breaking, it doesn't mean the trend has reversed down. No. What is happening now? Breaking and reversing back up. Again breaking. When again reversing back up, look at this. It is taking resistance at the moving average and it is reversing back. Now the trend is clearly turned from up to down. Then look at what happened. Only clean downfall. Why we are looking at trend, understanding trend? Because if the trend is up, I will make sure to focus more on planning my buy side trade. If the trend is down, I will focus more on planning a sale side or a short side trade. Okay, look at this down move. Here, now look at this. After the down move, first time price is breaking the moving average. Just because moving average is breaking, already trend is down. I am not telling the trend has shifted up. What I am telling is price should reverse back and take a support from the moving average, and then it should reverse. Then only I will confirm the down move has shifted from down to uptrending move. Okay. Here look at, sometime there will have a false breakout. Now look at the, now the trend is up, right? It's taken a support, reverse back, trend is up from the already down move. Now price is again trying to break. When it is reversing back, it has to take resistance and reverse back down. Then only I can tell the down move has started from the up move. From the up move, already price is up move. Price is above moving average. It has changed only if takes a resistance and reverse. What happened? Price broke, trying to move up, no resistance, again the up move is continuing, so this up move is continuing further up. This is more stronger. Up move continuing with further up is more stronger. This is not taking resistance and reversing, so now no point in down move. So what I will do in up move, I will focus more planning a buy side trade because I am with the trend. Okay, now what happened? Price broken the moving average. As I already mentioned, just because price is breaking the moving average doesn't mean the trend has shifted from up to down. No. When it is retesting again this moving average, it has to take resistance and reverse back down. Then only I can confirm this trend is down. It has not taken any resistance. That's clearly crossing and again above moving average, 50-day moving average. So trend is still towards upside. So what we need to do in uptrending? Focus more on buy side trade. Why I am telling focus more on buy side trade? Look at this. After this up move, only upside move is bigger. Down move is smaller move. Down move is smaller move. Down move is smaller move. Up move is only big move. We need to catch those big move only. Now let's take one more example. One last example. Look at this. Now price is trying to break. Okay. And when reversing back, if the trend is shifting from up to down, what it should do? It should take a resistance, it should reverse back. What is happening? Price is further moving up. So already up move. Now this is just to a false breakout, or this is just a false breakout, and then it reversing back. Up move, continuing up move, more stronger. Can you understand? This is why I use the moving